eating popsicles. Yeah, yeah. Popsicles. Mine's green, hers is red. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Popsicles. Are you jealous because we have popsicles? I bet you are. It's okay. Ow, it's so good. No. This thing hurts. Popsicles. Ew. I put that much sugar. Mine's green, like I said. Hers was red. Oh my gosh! She is magic! Is there something you're not telling me? I'm a unicorn. What kind?
An awesome unicorn.
Oh my gosh, my best friend, the awesome unicorn. Ew. Well, that was it for the Popsicle Show. Coming up next is another show. Yeah. So stick around. Bye. Love it.